Hi guys, this is Sassy Shiv Says. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video is going to be all about the FAB Love Bling bag, which is the February edition from the Bling bag, and I'm supremely excited to show you guys the baubles that are inside. So if you two are excited to explore the season of love with me and the Bling bag, then keep on watching. So like always, it comes with a little pamphlet of its own that tells you all the details about this particular theme of the month. This month's theme is called FAB Love, and they say that this February FAB Love collection is exactly like the different forms of love we cherish in our life. Style is never about brand name and label, it's the inner beauty and choice that describes the elegance of the person herself. And I totally believe in this, and looking at the baubles that I have in this month of love, I think it speaks to me, it speaks to my heart, and the different shapes and forms and colors that I see here, and I think that this collection will speak to so many different people because the cuts are different, the colors are so vast, and I just love the collection. It's dainty, it speaks to my soul, and I think you'll definitely love this one. Say hello to this Glam Gem bag. How beautifully stunning is this? I mean, this is like a perfect ideal bright color that my vanity needs right now, and this also is waterproof, so that traveling with it will become really easy and I think convenient. The first bauble that I'm reaching out to are these stunning hoop earrings, and they come into beautiful shades of golden and rose gold. I have the rose gold one right now with me, and if you look at it closely, these are like square sequences stacked up together on top of each other across the hoop, and this gives a really ideal and a very statement hoop look for you. I love how super light they are, and that's the thing that I like about so many different jewelry and baubles of the Bling bag. I mean, even their statement pieces are really easy to carry, easy to wear, and if you are someone who loves hoop but then doesn't like the minimalistic look for it, this is going to be your ideal pick. Now, after rosy bold hoops, say hello to Zest Dangler earrings. I love these structured earrings, and I love the mattified gold heart in between, and all these hearts intertwined in each other. I think for me it symbolizes love, and nothing screams more love than these pair of earrings. And you guys have already seen me go gaga over these earrings. I wore them recently to an event with Ariel India, or a very casual back to school kind of look. It went amazingly with it, and so does it go well with this kurti that I'm wearing. So these are very versatile, I would say. Next up, I have Juno Delicate necklace, and I feel this is again a very statement yet very glammed up piece, and it's going to add so much oomph to any look of yours. Now if you look at it closely, all these 5 circles have crystals in it, and the stone in between the star shaped sign is multicolored, so that gives you the option to wear it on so many different colors and so many different outfits. It also comes with an adjustable belt at the back, so you do not worry, do not fret, you can adjust the fit as per the neckline or the dress that you're wearing. Again, I feel like this is a versatile piece of jewelry to own because this will go on your Indo-Western or Western looks with as much ease. Last but not the least are these cute little Athena crystal studs that are actually square in shape, and if you look at it closely, there's a really bright blue crystal right in the center surrounded by white crystals, and this all in a square shape form. I feel like this shape is really so unique and different than the usual round or oval shape. So these little babies are going to be my best bet with a casual jeans and tee look, and I think that I'm going to be wearing these a lot. You'll see me in videos as well, because if it's like a everyday look, I reach out to these studs a lot. I have few more studs from the Bling bag that are my favorite, and I have a small little pouch that are full of studs. Studs are your best bet even when you're traveling and you don't want anything chunky in your ears. Say hello to these cute studs then. One thing I must really mention about the material of these earrings, especially this one, the metal that they've used is a really fine material. It's really smooth, and the clasping also is so easy. It doesn't clasp on or close really quickly. You can take your time, and it's really smooth. You can just put it on even when you're in a rush, and I really like about that. Usually I have like closures like these earrings that clasps on, and sometimes I've cut myself. But this one, really smooth. So that was it, guys. That was my unboxing and review of the Bling Bag's FAB Love, the February edition of the jewelry subscription box. I'm going to be linking all the details on my description box so that you know where to find these baubles individually or together in the FAB Love box of February. I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and come back for more on travel, beauty and fashion. But before you go, don't forget to hit the bell notification on the screen so that you don't miss out any video that we put out. Until then, keep sassy.